Today we'll be making two kinds of smoked salmon bento boxes using Mowi smoked salmon, one for the kiddos and the other one for the adults. Known for their superior quality Atlantic salmon, Mowi smoked salmon is going to give us a rich buttery texture and a wonderful smoky flavor as well. Best of all, they're now available at Target. Let's start with a kiddos bento lunchbox first. Let's use a cookie cutter that is similar size as the crackers we're using to serve it with. Now we're ready to put our bento box together. I'd love to add some cucumbers in there for some freshness. Add those crackers in there and divide it up with some sweet tomatoes. Now the smoked salmon goes into a separate compartment, and I like to boil some eggs and add a little seasoning to it. Don't forget the cream cheese that the kiddos love and a little sweetness with some pomegranate or berries. This is ready to go for your kids, and for the adults, we're going to start off by cutting 1-inch strips of the salmon. Now, this salmon is going to get rolled up and placed throughout the bento box. Now, more of that cucumber, the tomatoes are great as well, and I like to add some pickled or marinated artichokes, capers, the crackers again, the eggs, which are perfect for protein, and of course cream cheese with dill. Now remember, you're always welcome to do it your way and add whatever flavors you prefer into your bento box. Whatever you do, make sure you're using quality smoked salmon. Lunch is served.